Hello and welcome to Startpage, the world's most private search engine. Today we'll cover how to use our anonymous view feature to keep your information safe. First, navigate to startpage.com. Input your search query, then press the search button or hit enter on your keyboard to conduct your search. Once you find a website you want to visit privately, click the anonymous view mask icon to the left of the title of the search result. It may take a moment to securely connect you to the website. You'll know you're protected by anonymous view when there's a visible blue border around the window, signaling your information is not exposed to external sites via Startpage. You can now interact with most websites as you normally would without a trace. To learn more about how anonymous view works, make sure to select Information on the bottom of the screen. You may also hide this menu altogether and remain in anonymous view by pressing the X on the bottom right. Once you're ready to exit anonymous view private browsing, simply close the tab in your browser, which brings you back to your original search results.